Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be doing feelings in Sotho. Ha ke rate sena. Ha ke rate sena. Ha ke rate sena means I dislike this. Ke batla ho robala. Ke batla ho robala. Ke batla ho robala means I need to sleep. Ke a hatsela. Ke a hatsela. Ke a hatsela means I am freezing. Ke lapile. Ke lapile. Ke lapile means I am hungry. Ke a dumela. Ke a dumela. Ke a dumela means I agree. Ha ke dumele. Ha ke dumele means I disagree. Ke tshwenyehile. Ke tshwenyehile. Ke tshwenyehile means I am worried. Ke rata sena. Ke rata sena means I like this. Ke kginne. Ke kginne. Ke kginne means I am angry. Ke kgathetse. Ke kgathetse. Ke kgathetse means I am tired. Ke swabile. Ke swabile. Ke swabile means I am embarrassed. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Monate. Monate. Monate means pleasant. Iketlileng. Iketlileng. Iketlileng means comfortable. Thabile. Ke thabile. Ke thabile means I am happy. Ke kwatile. Ke kwatile. Ke kwatile means I am sad. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Chisa. Chisa. Chisa means hot. Bata. Bata. Bata means cold. Futhumetse. Futhumetse. Futhumetse means warm. Bohloko. Bohloko. Bohloko means painful. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is down below.